What's up, guys? It's Friday, so you know what time it is. Time for What the Fitness. And this week we have another return guest, Dr. Mindy Pelz. And by doctor, I mean chiropractor. I think that's important to put out there. When I put DR in front of my name, I point out that it is a PhD in nutritional science, that I'm not a physician or medical professional. Why is it that so many chiropractors don't say doctor and then put chiropractor at the end? It's almost like they want you to think that they're an actual physician. Anyways, I digress. So this is from Mindy Pelz's appearance on Diary of a CEO, which, shout out to my boy Steven. Love the guy, but this is a horrible guest. Let's see what she has to say about Jesus, fasting, and stem cells.
Stem cell production increase if I fast.
The longer in the longer fast, yeah.
Is that the
3 days is the research was 24 hours for gut repair.
What research?
So you get intestinal stem cells, but for systemic stem cells, 3 days, 72 hours.
And those systemic stem cells can do what for me?
They can go anywhere in your body and repair anything.
I had a toe injury recently. I played this football match called Soccer Aid. So would fasting help me in that situation?
The story I always use,
she says it so confidently,
is that I had an Achilles tendon injury, and I tried everything, and it was like not healing. My last resort, I was like, okay, let me throw a 3-day water fast at it. On the third day, I just started to notice that the pain was a little less, and a lot of that.
On the third day, the Achilles is risen.
By the end of the third day, I'm like, I think the pain's like 50% gone. So I thought, let me stick with this, and how long can I go until the pain's completely gone? So I ended up going 5 full days in a fasted state. On the 5th day, the pain was completely gone, and to this date, it has never come back.
So apparently, expert opinion, case control studies, animal studies, epidemiology, cross-sectional, cohort studies, randomized control trials, systematic reviews, meta-analyses, and my Achilles had a boo-boo that felt better when I fasted for 5 days. Okay, that is not evidence. Is there some evidence that fasting can cause increased production of stem cells? Yes. You don't need to do it for 3 days. Even shorter periods, like 16 to 24 hours, can do that, but that doesn't mean you're going to heal faster. Even the data where people are injecting stem cells is not super clear on whether or not it accelerates healing. It seems to be hit and miss. There was a study where they looked at spinal cord injury and fasting and found no difference in healing between people who fasted versus people who didn't. You know what's helpful for recovery? Synthesis of new tissue so that you can recover and be better. You know what's helpful with synthesis? You know what's helpful with synthesis? You know what's helpful with me? You know what's helpful with synthesizing new tissue? Food, protein, amino acids. Those things are good. Those are the building blocks of new tissue. Again, I'm not saying that you can't heal from something if you intermittent fast. I think it's fine, but just fasting for a day, 3 days, 5 days, this isn't some magical thing. And people are like, how do you explain her Achilles? I don't know. It probably was going to naturally heal on its own. Or I don't know. She made it up. Like everything else she makes up, including her claim that fasting increases testosterone by 1,300%. No, it doesn't. In fact, most of the studies show that it decreases testosterone. If you want to fast, totally fine. Intermittent fasting is a viable nutrition strategy, but it is not magic.